table. Next one is characteristic table. So we are going to take SR inputs, possible binary inputs, and previous state and next state. This topic characteristic table. So let the output first condition is 0 0. So what is your truth table for SR? 0 0. Output is QN means 0. QN means previous state. So what is your previous state here? 0. So 0 0 present 0 previous state. Your previous state is 1. Understood? 0 0 previous state. Correct? Previous state is the equal to 0. So output 0. Again 0 0. Here to the previous state. Here also 0 0. Your previous state is 1. So I will give it as 1. Okay? And this will be your complement 1 0. And here 0 1. 0 1. What is your output? 0, which is reset. 0 1 is reset. 0 1 is reset. Okay? 1 0 is 1 set. So 1 0 set. 1 0 set. 1 1 will be invalid. 1 1 will be invalid. Okay? This will be your complement. Okay? This is your characteristic table. And next we are going to see the K-map. Turn-off map. Next we are going to see K-map for S of flip-flop. So yes. And listen here, this is your K-map. Input and output, okay? The binary information will be for a single one. 0, 1, here, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 or 1, 0? 1, 1. How? A 1, 1 code, A 1, no, 0 code. It's not a 2-bit, it's a 1-bit. 1-bit variations are 0 0 0 1-bit variable. Okay, from this 0 1-bit variable that is excitation. So excitation is previous and next present. Present or next continuous. Present state. Let's define input of SR. Let's define input of SR. This is the definition of excitation table. So what is your previous state? Notation. Previous state Qn. What is your next state or present state? Qn plus 1. What will be your input then? SR. Okay, what are possible combinations? 0, 0, then 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So by using this characteristic table, first listen here, stop right, listen here. Q n is 0 and Q n previous state and next state is 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Input is 0, 0, 0. So check for the combination of 0, 0. Here 1, 0, 0. Is there any other 0 combination? Here 0, 0 combination. Now check the input of SR. SR is 0, 0. And here in this combination 0, 0. S is 0 whereas R is 1. So either it is 0 or 1. So have to mention like this. So S for the combination is 0. So 0 whereas R either 0 or 1. So don't care. It is 0 hour, 1 hour. So don't care. Similarly, checking for 0, 1. 0, 1 and everything answer 0, 1. 0, 1. Sorry, 0, 1. 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. SR checking. 1, 0. Right, only one combination cell. Q n and 0, 1, 1 to the 0, 1 to the dealer. So S will be 1, R will be 0. Similarly for 1, 0. Similarly for 1, 0. 0, 1. 1, 1 will be invalid. Okay, understood? From characteristic table, we are finding excitation table. And next flip-flop is JK flip-flop. Next flip-flop is JK flip-flop. And your logic diagram is JK flip-flop is given. Output is Qn. This is JK flip-flop. This is your logic diagram. And your block diagram or circuit diagram is listen here, stop writing, listen. Similar to your S of flip-flop. And gate. And main advantage in using this JK flip-flop. This is used for set and reset, whereas this JK flip-flop is to overcome the disadvantage in SR flip-flop. What is the disadvantage in SR flip-flop? Thus, invalid or indeterminate statement can be overcome with JK flip-flop. Remaining all concepts same. Okay, only overcoming the listen here. Here again I am using NAND gate. Two NAND gates. Again it is clock pulse. It is clock pulse. And the input is taken as J and K. Again this output is given with NAND gate. Output is QN plus. You are going to take it as next state. So QN plus 1, QN plus 1 bar. And inside the same cross coupling this input to this output and this input to this output. This gives your SR flip flop, right? Same diagram, SR flip flop. The difference between this is this input is taken to the output of this complement and this input is taken to the output of this mixer. That is the difference of JK flip flop and SR flip flop. Circuit diagram of block diagram. Clear? Truth table. Input is JK and your output is QN plus 1. What are possible binary informations? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And listen to take your SR flip flop truth table. For NOR gate, to get the question for NOR gate means instead of NAND gate diagram, you have to use NOR gate. You have to replace the NOR gate alone, and the invalid state will be, this will be in the previous state, and the previous state will be your invalid statement. Okay, that is for NOR gate and your SR flip flop. Whereas in JK flip flop, same. So your previous state is obtained, and next one is your reset, and third one output will be your set, and fourth one will be your invalid. So that is a small change. Instead of invalid, first state will be your previous state, right? Next will be your set, reset. Next will be your set. Here you obtain invalid for SR flip flop. The only difference is the complement of previous state is your 1 input JK flip flop. That is the difference between SR flip flop and JK flip flop, where this invalid or indeterminate state is overcome by this JK flip flop by the previous state of the complement of previous state. Okay, and this is your previous state, and this is reset, and this is set, and this is previous state complement. Previous state complement. Next you are going to see characteristic table. Characteristic table. And listen here, whatever the input you give for D, either it may be 0 or 1, your output remains same. There will be no change. That is your D flip-flop. Whatever the input you give to the D, either 0 or 1, your output remains same. 0 means output is 0. 1 means output also 1. That is your D flip-flop. By the truth table, previous state and your next state. Previous state and next state. What are the possible binary informations? 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Just like here. D is 0. Output will be 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the D flip-flop. So next you are going to see characteristic table. So basic truth table. This is your characteristic table. No, sorry. This is your characteristic table, and your truth table will be D Qn. Qn plus 1, 0, 1. The output will be 0, 1, 1. This is the normal flip for D. This is your characteristic table. And next we are going to see K map. Your input, I'm taking here as an input, your output. So, two binaries 0, 1. 0 means bar. So, Qn bar, Qn. So, from the characteristic table, tell me 0, 0, where is 1? 1, 0. 1, 0 is 1, and 1, 1 is 1. 1, 0. 1, 0 is 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So mapping 2 ones. So Qn plus 1 will be equal to or E. So this is your characteristic equation. This is your characteristic equation. Excitation table. Excitation table. Previous state and the next state gives the input of D flip-flop. Okay. So previous state is Qn. Next state is Qn plus 1. Input is D. What are the possible binary information? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Check the characteristic table. 0, 0, 0, 0. is this. That is complement of this will be your tau. T is equal to 1 into the got a tau now you got a complement tau na complement of this state. Your previous state. In the state what is the complement and equal the complement of previous state. Okay, that is tau. That is tau. This is the definition of T flip flop. And result here, this logic diagram is very simple. This is T and this remains same here. T flip flop and here T, and instead of this they are going to just connect. That is your T flip flop. And this will be similar to your JK flip flop. Whereas T flip flop is similar to your SR flip flop and T flip flop is similar to your JK flip flop. JK flip flop is this input will be connected to one of this output and this input is connected to this output, right? This is QV and plus 1. This is your circuit diagram or block diagram of T flip flop.